This is a military base, dude. I don't think we're supposed to be here.
We're not. I'm just gonna ask them. We're lost. We'll turn around.
Are you panicking?
Nope.
Oh, I feel like I should be panicking, but I'm not. They look
You're,
really friendly.
you're military. You're chill.
I was in the military for like 4 months, bro. This ain't this ain't really no, they're not. They look friendly though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, they look chill.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll be understanding, right? What if I do what if I get really angry with them and demand things?
That's what you should do for sure.
That'll go very well, I'm assuming. Yeah, they'll love that.
They would love that.
I guess there's a lot of military here.
Yeah, sorry for taking us this way.
No, it's cool. I'm only panicking slightly.
Me too. I mean, I don't have a motorcycle license, so you know.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, what if they could arrest us? I mean,
definitely going to jail for sure.
Yeah,
I'll show my Washington one. It's probably fine.
They don't really leave a lot of options to like turn around here, do they?
I'll probably have us go in here, and then we can just come back.
Yeah, I think that might be the way to go until we get arrested, frisked, which they can do legally.
Can I pat you down?
Yeah, they do that. I mean, like it's protocol.
Excuse me, can I hold your gun, please? Can I see it? Take a picture with it?
Probably won't say yes to that. I'm not gonna lie.
So he's from Ohio, and I'm from Seattle, and we have no idea where we are. How do we get back to how do we get back to San Marcos from here? And all I used to dream about was thinking about the... Awesome, thank you very much.
They just took your IDs.
One second. Let me pull in here.
Turn off the bike though. Don't turn off the bike. The bike on so they know we're not stopping. What if I just turned around and like made a break for the base?
Made a run for it.
I feel like it's such an easy way to throw your life away.
No choice but to do content full time.
What do you mean?
Because otherwise, well, you're never getting a job.
Felony. We cannot keep trying to get in the military business.
No, and then the freeway, and then we take the freeway.
I said freeway. Yo, there's too much traffic.
Well, fucking, I thought we could get away with it.
Where are you taking us?
Some parking lot.
Okay.
Some random parking lot.
Love California.
Yep.
Dude, you can get places so easily around here. I'm like lane splitting, and like it's all legal, and like you just fly through. Oh my god, I felt like I teleported to your place.
Say that again. What was the last part?
I just feel like I teleported to your place.
Just
like,
whipping it back.
I thought you were insinuating to something. You're like, say that again?
Oh.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Like,
oh, I just didn't hear you.
I had to like think about it before I said it again because I was like, what did I just say?
I'll take a fist bump. No, get the fuck out of here. No, do not stall my bike. I swear to God. This guy.
Where's your shifter? Come here.
The clutch.
Figure out where we are and how to get back.
If we can find a way to get on the freeway, I can get us home. We just need to be going that way.
North?
Not that way.
Which is north? Which way are we trying to go?
That's north.
So we want to be going that way?
Or no, wait, that's south. We want to go that way. We want to go south.
Oh, south. Okay. There's an air tag on me. I don't know if it's on the bike or...
It might be the one in my wallet.
Let me see.
Oh, wait, that's a tile, not an air tag. I think that works.
I think the air tag is you. Let me see. It is you! That's weird that it says it's moving with me. No, we're just...
I mean, we are moving together.
I'd be on the ride like this, like 20 minutes in, I'd be like, Jesus fuck.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hey, CJ, what did we do today?
You got up early when you got breakfast. Rode shirtless to Chipotle. Got some nice yummy bowls, and then I got some work done, and you went out to a little motorcycle meet, and now we're going out to do some clutch-up wheelies.
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
Hopefully not eat shit and die. That's good. We're gonna ride around, dude. I don't know. Bro.
Showered, ready for bed. What up, pussy? See you guys on day 3 tomorrow. On 3, 2, 1. Day 3 right now. Right now. It's another morning. God, I'm tired. Good Lord, I am exhausted. This is day 3. It's just me out here. Guess I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Take my bike. I'm gonna take my bike, go get some breakfast. Yeah.
So I guess my stomping around upstairs woke someone up. Not all bad. It means I have someone to ride with. So with the hearing loss and the earplugs, bro, I can hear anything unless you're speaking mesh.
Ate at this place every single day when I moved here for the first like 6 months. I would drive like 30 minutes from Oceanside to eat there.
Really? Is it that good?
No.
Well, what the fuck?
I mean, it is. I like it. I really like their eggs Benedict.
Huh. Yeah, no, these are the stock tires, bro. That's really depressing. I'll let them know when I give the bike back. I'm like, hey, bro, like these are really old tires. You should probably replace them.
Did you check the tire code and everything? Wow, using your turn signal. Good boy.
I was literally about to say my friends roast the fuck out of me back home for not using my turn signal.
Good boy.
Listen, it's a hard
That's
reach. You
fine.
gotta like reach your thumb over and turn it, and it's like, no.
For me, it's just the remembering to turn it off.
That too, yeah.
It'll be like 10 minutes later, and I'll look down and I'll be like, oh, oopsie.
Yeah, and I look like an idiot. Actually, I take it back. Majority of my bikes actually have like self-canceling turn signals, but
Really?
yeah. So I really have no excuse other than I'm just too lazy to reach over and hit the button. But I still stand by that. You don't need turn signals.
Gotcha. Well, you also ride a BMW, so you don't really have to use turn signals. BMW owners kind of have a pass because they just don't use them.
Yeah, I get the joke there. I got
Okay, I can explain it.
Oh, hey, what's going on? Oh yeah, those are perfect. Awesome. The reason I'm stopping y'all is because of your plate. I can't see you because it's a classic one. Yeah, we just kind of progress from there, and it just gets weirder and weirder.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing today? Officer Clark O'Reilly, license, registration, proof insurance. Looking at your bike, I don't even know how you're speeding with this little thing, but I mean, you're going way too fast. I mean, you blew past me like I was dead stopped.
I don't know the area too well, so like I'm just kind of.
So why are you going so fast if you don't know the area? What, do you have any weapons on you?
No.
You mind if I frisk you down real quick?
Go for it. I'm not like out here to like cause any problems. I'm just here visiting.
You're out here, you're causing problems.
I have like I could find a picture of it on my phone if you really.
Can you
need
try?
It. You just
Can
look
you
it
try
up.
for me?
Are you even old enough to be a cop?
Am I old enough to be a? How old do you think I am?
I don't know, man. You got the braces.
Probably
I just thought
older than
like
you, man. I mean, come on. I got the braces. You think because I have braces, I'm too young to be a police officer?
maybe.
Well, that's what my sergeant said as well. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. How fast does this thing go? What's the fastest you've gone on it?
Speed limit?
No, be honest, because I just got you over the speed limit.
It's about 120.
You got 120 on it?
That's supposedly.
All right, so I'm gonna write you up for 120. I'm
I didn't
gonna
say I
take you
did that
in.
on a public road though.
I'm gonna take you in. I'm gonna say, I got you in at 120. So put your hands behind your back for me. Anything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law. I can grab the fuzzy ones for you if you're.
Where are we going?
I'm just waiting on CJ. He said he's working on something. I don't really know what's going on, but we're planning on going for a ride.
What?
That's not gear, dude. I told you to wear like something protective.
I'm protected. I'm
From what?
from the fashion police. I'm drippy right now. Where's yours? I literally gave you one. It was pink. It was like we were gonna match. We were gonna be really.
I
Cute.
thought that was like for your sister or something, bro. That's not for me.
Why would I hand it to you if it was for my sister?
I was confused as well. I didn't know.
Clearly, we were supposed to twin, bro.
Not even okay. You're not laced up. First of all, it's gonna catch on something and kind of mess something up.
No, it's like the style of it. You know how they have like the laces poking out. You know, like.
And here's something you're not thinking about, bro. Like in the wind, all those little straps are gonna be whipping you the entire time.
Well, I kind of like that though.
Oh God. Okay.
I mean,
sure. I mean, we could try to rock it and see how it goes, but I can't. Like, I'm not gonna say that.
Well, I
this
mean,
is
I
gonna
can
go
change if you want me to change, but like, I really thought you would be.
well. No, I'm.
I really
It's
thought you'd like
it's fine.
man.
You know, it's just we're kind of
You
late.
sure?
Just be a good boy and get on the bike and let's go.
It is currently 9:19 on New Year's Eve. I'm obviously home on New Year's Eve, and I'm obviously not home for any reason. I'm home to basically stay here and edit. So yes, I'm not in Cali right now. I'm editing these videos after, I've already been home and actually have time to edit here, but I just wanted to say it's been an awesome year. There is nothing more in the world than I want to succeed at what I'm doing and be the best. I edit all my videos by myself. Everything I do, everything I work at is to achieve this goal. I just want to say, if you're here following me, you guys are everything I could ever ask for. Through my ups and downs, there have been moments where I want to quit, but I'm going to use this New Year's as a reminder to why you never quit. Be the best at what you do. If life is a war, every day is a battle, and you have to make sure you fucking put 1,000% effort in every single day in that battle. So as I sit here on New Year's, people are out partying, having a good time. I want this to be a reflection of the rest of the year. Riding is awesome. It's the best job in the world is what I always tell people, but editing sucks. Tonight, we are making that sacrifice. And like I said, I want this to define the rest of the year, putting in the work and the times that you may not want to do it. And that includes school that I start up again in about 7 days. So for the rest of the semester, for the rest of the summer, and for the rest of my senior year, I want this to be the best year of our lives. You guys are coming along with it, so. With that, Happy New Year's, Happy 2024.